So I saw a lot of people going crazy about this. However, the reviews are quite bad. So this is my first day trying to see if it actually works. So let's make a smoothie quickly. Okay, because it's quite small and the blade is quite small, I diced up some carrots, an apple, and some blueberries. So let's try and see now if we can blend that. Yeah. Cool. So now I'm done. I have some apple, carrots, and some cinnamon. Now I'm just gonna close it, make sure it's closed. I have some water inside as well. Then we're supposed to press it twice. Just shake. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. So I added more water. It seems to work very safely. Okay, so it seems like, yeah, I got something. So let's try and pour it and see. So it even has like the excess fruit here. Well, it was nothing. Okay. Oh. Cheers, guys. Yeah, tasteless, but I could work with that.